Here at Knights in the Classroom, we bring exciting activities to the schools, camps, community groups, and seniors facilities we visit with the goal of bringing history to life. One of our most interesting activities is Roman shield formations. The Roman army was very impressive, and the shield formations they developed or perfected are such that they are still used today by riot police around the world. We built a set of 24 shields for use during our workshops, and this video overviews that effort. We used modern 4-ply pressboard, not authentic to ancient history, but it did allow us to build a strong shield without a tremendous amount of weight. We have to keep safety in mind at all times with our creations because the majority of our presentations are with students. After the shields were cut and shaped, they had to be painted, first red and then with a yellow pattern on the front. The circle in the middle symbolizes the sun, while the spear represents one of the Romans' most popular weapons. The wings represent eagle wings, as the eagle was a big part of their military beliefs. The Romans first made these scutum shields from wood and eventually metal, rounding them, the middle circle being replaced with a shield boss where the handle would be. Our wooden scutum shields feature a vertical position handle to make it easier to hold, as well as tubing on the edges to make them as safe as possible.